Smart investors follow the smart money. That's what they say, isn't it? Well, in the last decade, institutional investors and family offices have been investing heavily in the UK holiday lodge sector. It's a category that consistently generates a high-income yield for investors. And with more and more people taking staycations, it's a rapidly growing market. In fact, the domestic tourism industry is set to be worth over £250 billion to the UK economy by 2025. Think about that for a minute. £250 billion. This amount of money circulating in the sector creates huge opportunities. But to capitalise, you have to have the right property in the right location. The Isle of Wight is certainly a destination that has enough pulling power to qualify. It's only a short ferry ride from the English mainland and welcomes over 2.5 million visitors per year. People come for its unique British seaside holiday vibe, for the long summers spent enjoying secluded beaches, and for all sorts of leisurely activities to while away the days and keep the family busy. Sandy Lanes is a holiday resort on the south coast of the island. It's surrounded by grassland with direct access to a beautiful beach. Plus, it has a shop, bar, restaurant, swimming pool and gym on site. Built around a central hub, there are 64 luxury modular holiday homes, with an open-plan design, sold fully furnished and fitted with a stylish kitchen. Outside, there's decking, a top-of-the-range hot tub and even sea views. Everything you need in order to enjoy a wonderful stay on the island. All of this will set you back £250,000, so it's certainly not for everyone. But the investment performance certainly justifies this outlay. Unlike traditional buy-to-let, there's no stamp duty surcharge, so that's 3% saved right away. Bookings are through Ho Seasons with management by the #1 rated operator on TripAdvisor, so you can be confident that the passive income of 8% to 10% will continue long into the future. Better still, the investment can be structured so that the income is received at a 0 rate of tax. And if you want to use the holiday home, there are flexible holiday stay options for all investors. There's even a buyback agreement, so you can easily exit the investment after 3 years if you need to. So if you're looking to earn a residual income with the potential to add a little something to your lifestyle, then drop us your details and we can help you decide if this is the right opportunity for you.